Hi everyone, hashtag Mike Merone. I'm here live in Puerto Rico, and see there's a problem today. We're on the beachfront, and we're on the beachfront, and this is one of the problems we had from Hurricane Maria. Still repairing stuff slowly but surely, because I'm not here for 24 hours a day, or I come for like 4 weeks at a time at most, maybe a little less, and I do as much as I can get done. So anyway, how are we going to fix this problem right here? This is around the window door, around the window frame with the shutters, and how are we going to fix this? So this is how we're going to fix this. We're going to take some toilet paper here. We're going to take some toilet paper and we're going to shove it all into the little areas, and that's going to fill in some of the gaps. And then from this, after we fill it in with the toilet paper, pretty much most of it, then I'm going to take some silicone and spray the silicone on top of it. Or there's another way you can do it. You could take concrete and pour some concrete in, and I'm just being lazy because I want to see how this works. If not, we could always go the other route, concrete and then, or tissues and concrete and newspaper. But I'm going to do it the lazy man's way and the easy way, and it'll look pretty good, and it'll last probably 7 years at least. So basically we need some toilet paper, and we need some silicone, acrylic paint, this chalk, whatever the hell it is. This stuff, it costs like $1.50. So we're going to fix this problem for under $5. So if you hired a guy to do this, he'd charge you probably $150, $200. But we're going to fix this for under $10, and let's see how it looks when I'm done. So I'm going to come back with part 2 in a little while, and let's see how it looks after. It's probably going to take me like half an hour to do this. So anyway, so this is the first thing we're going to do, is fix this hole over here, and we can fix it for under $5. And it's gonna look good, and it'll last for at least 7 years, because that's how long this chalk stuff works, for 7 years. But then once we put the chalk stuff in, we're gonna paint over it, so then you wouldn't even notice it. Let's see how it looks. So I'll be back with part 2, and we'll see. That's what I'm gonna use: toilet paper and silicone. Peace out. Hashtag Mike Merone. Look for part 2, and we'll show you how I made out. You're gonna first, before I go, we're going to shove the toilet paper in there, and then we're going to silicone it. So that's basically what we'll do. I'll show you the method. I'll come back and I'll show you the method, because it's just showing you how I do it. I don't have a camera guy, so if I had a camera guy, I'd just doing it myself. So peace out.